All right, my team is here today in Argyle, Texas. We're getting this house organized and dialed in. We've done a couple spaces already. Today we are tackling the primary closets, his and hers. I'm a little under the weather, so if you hear the voice a little scratchy, that's what it is today, but we're here to get it done, so let's go. So we're walking into this master closet today. It's already beautiful. There's not a lot that needs to be done from the outside. When our team comes in, we're looking at the fine details and we see that the baskets don't all match, the shoes aren't facing the right way, the hangers don't match, and those are important details that take your closet to the next level, and that's what we're here to do. All right, game plan, we are starting in her closet. That's kind of the bread and butter. It's where you want it to look beautiful. We're gonna start looking at products. We actually had someone who already had to make a product run. You always wanna try to get everything, but it didn't work this time. Teeth. Is this the first time we found teeth? No, find teeth a lot. Team is done pulling everything out. This is one of those moments where we ask the client to usually not be here. It gets a little overwhelming seeing all their stuff in one place. Even for us, it's a little bit like, how is all of this in there? And if a client sees it, that's a comment that they make very often is, how did all of this fit in that space? But it's essential to the process. It all has to come out. So now that everything's out, we're assessing all of the things and putting everything in like categories. Leslie's folding all of the things. We have all the shoes set out, all the matches together, or the pairs that don't have a match, now we know. When we put things back in, we're gonna be folding differently, hanging differently. The space is gonna make more sense and it's gonna be utilized and functional. Wire hangers are the actual worst. So many people have jeans on them or whatever just because it's easy and you have them. These are on Amazon. They're inexpensive. It comes in like a pack of 40. It's metal. It's not gonna break. And look how easy to just slide your jeans right on and off. And then it looks beautiful. You've got like a little denim store to shop from.
So the question is, do we use, Hannah said she likes these in here.
I do too. But we could use both.
Yes.
Yeah, because this matches this up here. This is a lot of the problem is product is always an issue. And I think where a lot of people get hung up is they just go to the store and they buy a bunch of product and then they're like, oh yeah, it works. But this is one of the things that we take the most time thinking about because we want it to look cohesive and look beautiful. A huge thing that we're sticklers on is like, I don't have anything hanging off the edge. So if something doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. Get a new bin, buy something else, the product isn't right. So this is where we spend a lot of time. So we take everything out, bulk as much as possible. This stuff's tiny and things I don't want to get lost because I'm responsible. So we're gonna keep this in here for now and then we'll have her go through it inside of here while we have space.
Yeah, because they've been up top and I haven't worn them in forever.
I mean, yeah, honestly, that is old.
Those are iffy. I don't know if I would want those.
It's a lot of clothes.
Wait till you go through yours.
You're
I
next.
don't know what you're talking about.
But she's already gotten rid of almost an entire bag. Also, it sometimes takes somebody else to hold something up and be like, do you actually wear this? She doesn't look like some of those clothes. If you don't actually wear it, you're thumbing through it every single time. So just get it out of there and only have the things that you love. I mean, this could stay with long hang, I guess, if we wanted to keep the bottom. I'm trying to think of like, what can you put here that makes sense with jeans? So this is the puzzle piece process. And you have to just connect the puzzle pieces 15 different times until you find the one that fits. A lot of people think we just walk in and we know exactly where things are gonna go, and that's totally not it at all. We are as much thinking through the process as you would if you were doing this. We just have done it so many times that we have an answer and it's gonna come to us. So we don't talk negatively. We don't say like, this isn't working. It's gonna work. We are going to make it work. There's always a way. The biggest issue here is there's not a lot of hanging space for what she has. There's a lot of hanging space, but she has a lot of clothes. It's all gotta go back in here. It's all gotta look pretty, but it's also all has to make sense. So I don't wanna break up workout and have it here and here. Like you wanna make it make sense when she's getting ready. So this is the dilemma.
You're leaning too far.
I almost got it. I almost got it. Is that all the blazers? No, I need that black one right there.
I can't get it. You'll fall off. Help.
I need a jacket.
I need another hand.
Okay, I got it. Now everything else coming down.
Well done, well done, well done.
Okay, so we are also going to be working in the husband's closet today. The husband and wife usually differ on the way that they want their closet organized, but we can do both. The closet, or the wife's closet, she wants the felt hanger, she wants everything to be beautiful, and in his closet, he is okay with the wire hangers. So we have to leave them. It's not my preference, but we're gonna do it, and we're still gonna be elevated, and it's still gonna be nice. We're gonna take the clutter and we're gonna make sense of it. Everything's gonna be pulled out. We're gonna reassess all the things. Nothing's gonna be left on the floor. Outdated boxes like this, we're gonna update that, give it a different look and a nicer elevated look. Giving a place for things that don't fit, all of this is gonna make a difference. And even for him, he's gonna walk in and feel so much better about the space. Get excited!
Look, it is actually clean.
It's never been clean.
Oh, wow. And everything is here. It's organized. This is beautiful.
Wow. Open up your drawers. If you screw that up.
Oh, I'll screw it up.
So much space.
Yes.
Oh, I
So
like how
I
you
can
did that.
buy more.
Yeah,
Times.
space to buy things. Look at that room.
Yes.
Look at all that space.
Tank
You're gonna,
tops,
you're gonna have to tell me
T-shirts.
like how to do the colors.
long sleeve shirts,
Wow.
shorts and jeans.
This looks really
Looks
good.
so good. Oh my gosh, look at my hats. That is great.
Cute.
Oh wow.
Great job, lady.
I have nothing,
shoes,
on,
nothing
the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these bins.
And then, I mean, ton of space. You could add another riser here and have more
Yep.
shoes.
Yep. Oh, this looks so good.
Oh my gosh. Look at all that money in there.
Oh
at all
my
that money.
stars. That
Oh,
looks
yeah.
so good. Now I can pick one. Like
You can-
which one am
yes.
I gonna
Get ready. Pick
Yeah.
out a dress.
see? And I
You
like
feel like
the
a pretty white
sweaters. I like the sweaters in there because I couldn't see them when they were in the.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Bras.
Wow.
All the
All
bras.
sports bras.
Well, but it's crazy too because I mean I'm so used to things being stacked in the drawer.
Uh-huh. Right.
So there's nothing on the floor.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yay.
You guys crushed it.
Yes,
Awesome.
this is amazing.
Crushed it.
Thank y'all so much.
Come on.
It looks so good. Sometimes it takes, I kind of wish I had just a second by myself in every single space that I could just walk back in and see it and see all the little details because we miss it. There's nothing on the floor. She can see every single thing in her closet. Nothing is hiding anymore. And the best thing is there's room to grow. She obviously likes to shop. So we want to give her a space to shop for a new shirt or a new pair of shoes. And we did that. So I feel like it's a win.